Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the annotation tool in Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to emphasize key points during a presentation, mark up documents in real time, or collaborate visually with your team during meetings. Let's jump right in and see how you can start annotating your shared screens. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Zoom profiles for different organizations or purposes. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Zoom homepage where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options. Next, join a meeting. You can either start your own meeting or join one that's already in progress. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Share button at the bottom of your screen. This button is typically green and located in the center of your meeting controls. Click on it to bring up the screen sharing options. A window will appear showing you all the screens and applications you can share. Select the screen or specific window you want to share with the meeting participants. This could be your entire desktop, a specific application, or even just a whiteboard. Once you've made your selection, click the Share button in the bottom right corner of that window. Your chosen screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting, and you'll notice your meeting controls may have moved or changed slightly. Now, look toward the top of your screen for the Annotate button. It's usually found in the meeting controls toolbar that appears when you're sharing your screen. Click on it to open the Annotation toolbar. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see a variety of tools appear, each designed for different annotation purposes. Choose a tool like pen, highlighter, text, arrow, spotlight, or stamp depending on what you need to do. The pen lets you draw freehand, the highlighter adds transparent color overlays, the text tool allows you to type directly onto the screen, arrows help you point to specific elements, spotlight creates a circle that highlights an area, and stamps let you add quick visual markers like check marks or stars. Once you've selected your tool, simply draw, write, or highlight directly on the shared screen. Your annotations will appear in real time for all meeting participants to see. This is perfect for collaborative work, teaching scenarios, or whenever you need to make something crystal clear during your presentation. You can switch between tools as needed, and most annotation toolbars also include an eraser if you need to remove something. When you're finished annotating and sharing your screen, click Stop Share at the top of your window. This will end the screen sharing session and return everyone to the standard meeting view. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively use Zoom's annotation tools to enhance your meetings and presentations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.